Yes, it's a very good morning to all our esteemed viewers. Many thanks to you wherever you're watching in from. Bobi Wine's National Unity Platform MPs 200 million for cars to be slashed and sent back to Kamwokya. Yes, many thanks to you, our viewers, wherever you're watching in from. If you're new to this channel, consider subscribing and turning on the notification button for all news updates happening around this nation. So members of the National Unity Platform or members subscribing to the opposition National Unity Platform will endure deductions on the 200 million shillings. Yes, Parliament recently advanced to individual MPs to buy cars, party officials said. Party bosses confirmed that the funds are to be channeled directly to NUP headquarters in Kamwokya to, among other things, meet the expenses incurred by the party during its formative stages, including those suffered by party president Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu. According to NUP spokesperson and Nakawa West MP Joel Ssenyonyi, the deductions, which we understood have been ongoing for a while, are meant to support party operations and its growth. For a very long time, Kyagulanyi has been putting in the party at times using his salary as an MP, and now it's time we also take on the responsibility for growth of National Unity Platform into robust party, Joel Ssenyonyi said. So Ssenyonyi also noted that the deductions this time said to be around 10 million from the 200 given to each MP are not limited to NUP legislators in Parliament, but also other members in political offices, including councillors at all levels of local governments. He noted that all NUP MPs have an outstanding monthly obligation of 1 million to the party deducted from their salaries. We all made a commitment to do everything possible to use our positions and offices to fuel the struggle. There is now the need to establish party offices across the country besides other party activities, he said. Acting NUP President and Mayinja County MP, Honorable John Baptist Nambeshe, however, stated that MPs are not giving back to Kyagulanyi, nor are the deductions mandatory to be part of the fundraising drive, pool funds for running party activities. So you've been live on Projan Media, latest news and latest updates happening around town. Consider subscribing and turning on the notification button for all news updates.